Welcome back, guys. So now if I go to the slash guide route, so I'm gonna name this thing as a route. So now you guys understand that this is a route. I'm really happy that you guys understand. So now over here, as you guys can see, we are getting the so if I want to post something, then I need to write method post. Then I'll have to pass the body over here, and I need to pass the headers just like we always do. Let me just copy and paste the whole thing. All right, but before that, let me just create a file called as create post.js. All right, I'm gonna quickly write import react from react. All right, and export default uh, function create post, and I'm gonna write return, and I guess everything is done. And now over here I'm gonna write two states, that is title. I'm gonna write use state. This will automatically import it from there. I'm gonna also give a body, set body use state, and we also need to pass in the ID as well, I believe, user ID over here. So we don't really have to do that when you're actually working on the a real world scenario. If you're working on MongoDB or some other database, then ID will be automatically generated, so you don't have to worry about it. All right, guys, and now I'm just going to write input tag. I'm also gonna give ID set ID. I don't know if this will work. I mean, like, if these guys are accepting it anymore. But now, if you guys can see, it says that it will not really really be updated on the server, but it will be faked as if they will basically add this thing locally, but they won't actually add it on the server. But this is the basic method of sending a fetch request. So now over here, I'm gonna create input. Okay, input something like this, and I'm gonna give the value of title, and I'm gonna give on change. This is basic stuff like we always do. I'm gonna pass in e dot target dot value, and write input again. Let me just copy and paste this again 2 times, and I'll change the values. I'm gonna write body. I'm gonna write ID, set ID, set body. And similarly, I'm gonna give some placeholders. I'm gonna give the placeholder of it as title, placeholder of it as body, placeholder of ID. Okay, that is what we'll be doing. So now, as a challenge, I want you to basically go to app.js and create a new route. All right, and basically create a new button. Yeah, basically I want you to create a new route with create post / create post, and I want you to go inside all post.js and create a button over here, or perhaps on the home.js. Go on the home.js and give a button called as create post. So please just go ahead and do that. So I hope that you have done it. It was very simple. Just have to write a route. This is a single route with the path. You can give anything that you want. You can also give something like this. Just don't write a dot. You can just give any name. Create post, and I'm gonna give the element as this thing. I'm gonna write create post. All right, and that way I'll be able to get that thing. And now I'm gonna go to post.js, home.js, and I'm gonna give a link over here. Okay, and I'm gonna give to create post, create a post. So now if you guys can see this thing is working fine. Right. So now in the next video we will just go ahead and send a post request where you will learn how to basically create a post request. Yeah. So see you all guys over there. Till then, goodbye and take care.